Want to add a touch of elegance and timeless beauty to your home? Discover the sophistication of Parquet flooring. Our premium Parquet flooring comes in stunning patterns: herringbone, chevron, basket weave, and more, crafted to bring luxury and character to any space. Visit our showroom to explore our wide range of Parquet flooring options and get expert guidance from our knowledgeable staff. We'll help you find the perfect fit for your home. Our professional installation team ensures a flawless finish, giving your floors the luxurious look they deserve. Apply adhesive to a small section of the floor. Start laying the first row of Parquet tiles along the marked center line, using spacers to maintain even gaps. Continue laying the tiles in your chosen pattern, such as herringbone or chevron. And there you have it. A beautifully installed Parquet floor that brings elegance and style to your home. Need professional help with your Parquet installation? Contact us or visit our website today. Make your flooring project easy and flawless.